Hi, everyone. My name is Karen Murano, and I am an Italian and Spanish teacher for the Stamford Public Schools. And I have a tip of the week to share this week. So my tip of the week is mainly for FLES Spanish teachers, and it is based on the Readers Writers Workshop out of Columbia Teacher College, which is led by Lucy Calkins, and it is based around the Daily Five. So it can be, you can take a favorite book of the students or a book in the curriculum and how to, I guess, prepare curriculum or adapt materials to fit this model of lesson planning and of teaching and instruction. And of course, it also I guess I use the word dovetails into the cafe, which is the assessment part of the Daily Five, which the cafe, which stands for comprehension, accuracy, fluency, and expand for assessment. So I'm going to share my screen. And okay, there we are. So for the beginning, you can have the students sign up for at the morning meeting. If you do the morning meeting, you can have the students sign up for their activities at the beginning of the day using this form. And the five sections of the Daily Five, which is read to self, read to someone else, listen to reading, someone else reading, so the teacher, word work, and writing. And the students, you can list their names and they can choose 3 of the activities, which is typically what is done. And then I will share a little bit of the activity. So this example I have is with Eric Carl's Oso Pardo. And first, the students have the vocabulary that they can work with. This would be read to self or read to others. Another aspect is you could put the link on, if it's a one-to-one device school, you could put the link to Flipgrid on it, which I have on the top. It's also illustrated with the visuals. They could color them in prior to doing the reading as part of an anticipatory set. And then this could be part of the word work is classifying, a classification of the animals in the habitats. This activity is actually a little bit outside of the, well, it could fall under word work, or it could be used as part of the Daily Cafe assessment with interpersonal speaking. And the directions say you put the flashcards of the animals in a bag and you draw them out, and you're in groups of 2 or 3. And your pair person asks, also, brown bear, what do you see? And then the person says, I see a purple animal. So in other words, they're trying to guess the card of the animal that you had selected. So it's a speaking task. This would be more word work. So you're guessing, not guessing. You're identifying the animal in the picture by choosing between the 2. And that one we did. This one is working on writing. So the students can either model some of the animals in the book that are not above, or they can go outside the book, think outside the book, think outside the box, and choose another animal and write the color of another animal. So that's that. And then this is they're writing the color of the animal, so they have to know what the animal is in order to write the color. This one would be a digital activity, or if it's not done digitally, they could draw the activity. So they would move the arrow and then connect the words of the colors and so forth. so they would connect it to the picture and then the color. This one they're drawing and then the animal and then coloring it in. So that's more word work. That one they have to actually write out the color. So I think it would be an either or, this activity. The other one, this one is for learners who finish early. They can practice or review their numbers and write down how many of each animal that they see. And then this could be part of an assessment or considered the writing where they identify the animal. And then finally, it could be a dictation where the teacher reads out loud a few of the sentences, or the students again could have where they write their own additional description of additional animals. You could do a preset, using starter frames on the easel with them, have during one of the meetings, the whole class meetings. And also had, when introducing, before reading the book, I have a word wall with flashcards and the pictures. So this fosters literacy for, as ACFIL promotes and supports. It allows for student choice when the students are choosing their station of the Daily 5. And that's it. So if you have any questions, I'll be happy to share the material. I also have it in Italian. And I hope it's helpful. All right. All the best, everyone. Bye.